Are you the type to take your food back when it's wrong? Yeah. Not me, clearly. I don't, but the thing is, I don't know, too. I feel like if this was like a restaurant that I normally eat at, I think I probably would have been like, oh no, this is wrong, I took it back, but... What is that? Houston! You have a mother problem. Because, okay, so this is my first time eating torchy tacos, right? Not my first time, but this is my first time getting a order online to go. Okay, but so, I think I got the wrong taco. Because first of all, the man who was with me waiting on his, he was walking back. When I pulled off, he's walking back to the place. And then, as I'm eating it, I'm like, is this my taco? To be honest, if the tacos were wrong, they were not going back. I am a person who does not check my food before I drive off. I said it. Don't judge me. But now I'm just like, nah, he probably like, that bitch got my taco. He probably like, that girl gone with my taco, bro. Yeah, because you know what? In the cheese, I had asked for Kobe cheese. I don't know the difference though, y'all. Don't even worry about it. And I asked for sour cream. So that's why I'm like, maybe this is my taco. Maybe they just had messed his up. You know, maybe. I don't know. Oh my lord. That car cannot drive, first of all. It was all in my lane. And now they all in the other person's lane. People like that be needing them smart cars. And you know what? Them smart cars, while I think they're being smart, you know, and being like good sports and everything, baby, if I'm gonna have all of that, I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just these people ain't gonna know how to drive. Just like the back, having the back camera. I got a back camera, y'all. And so, but having the back camera, you don't know how to. Well, I know how to because I got it after I had already been driving without it, so I know how. But like, now if I try to park without the camera, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. Like, it ain't gonna come back to me that quick, you know. All I'm saying is, that's my original train of thought. This guy's all over the place. Baby, if you're gonna stop me from veering in people's lane, and you're gonna stop my car from me with a car in front of me, all this and the third. What I need to learn how to drive for? Car gonna drive for me. The hell? I know it's not literally, but baby, close them doors. John! I'm glad I finally got home. Been not grocery shopping. Not grocery shopping, but I love groceries. I'm pretty sure everybody's probably aware. But I'm gonna just say it anyway. Houston just had the little snowstorm. Today's Sunday. It's just Sunday for me, baby. Just Sunday. And when I tell you these people tow up the grocery stores again, like I did for coronavirus. But what I can't understand is why. Let me tell you. And you know what? Some people are still without power and stuff too, so. I get it. Only a little bit. Because out of my whole family, I lost power and I lost water, but I ended up just going to my mom's house because I stayed by myself. I feel like if we was all in it, it would have been better, but there's no point in me staying here in a cold house by myself if I don't have to, right? So I go to my mom's house. That lady ain't lose a thing, y'all. Not even her mind. She ain't lose no water, no light. She ain't lost nothing the whole time. I said, see, you know what? And being my sister, I went to my sister's house after I went to my mom's house. She stayed by herself too, but she had everything too. Nothing went off. Nothing went off. They stay in the Houston Medical Center area. And I'm thinking that may have something to do with it. Oh, excuse me. Oh my God. I'm a lady. I don't do that. But yeah, so but even the grocery stores over there was ransacked. And I'm just like, y'all, first of all, let me tell y'all what I had. I had two, because I had made some spaghetti. I made some spaghetti the day before. Y'all had 2 bowls of spaghetti in my icebox, right? That's all I had. And did I have some Hawaiian rolls? I think I had some Hawaiian rolls. Because what I did was I used my hookah coals. I tried to warm up my spaghetti, and I had put them in a bowl to warm up the bread. I was living like I was back in the olden days. The ancient times. But that's all I had, y'all. So I'm lucky that I was able to go to my mom's house, because then they had food and my sister had a little food. My sister ain't had that much food though. My mama had food, but it wasn't like real food. It was kind of like food you had to cook. Well, that is real food. Oh my God, never mind. Cut that out. All 3 of us needed nothing. You know, aside from me not having groceries by myself, us 3 together, we had something. You know, nobody needed anything. We had water. We had everything. Nobody needed anything. My friend and her family, they didn't need to go to the grocery store. You know? And I'm confused about the people who ransack the grocery stores, because I have a feeling, this is America, so fucking greedy. I have a feeling these people did not need to go to the grocery store. I have a feeling that they had everything that they needed in the house. I just have a hunch here. And I'm just like, y'all are really wrong for that, because now everything is back to normal, but the place still ain't got shit in there because y'all took it all. Y'all ODing. And it's just like, it's kind of embarrassing, because it's like, oh my God, I'm one of these. I'm not one of these people. I can't be one of these people. And now my broke ass is forced to buy shit from Chili's and fucking Torchy's and like all these restaurants who have food for me, because I can't get any at the grocery store, you know? And it's like, if y'all needed all that fucking food, y'all should have went to the grocery store last fucking weekend or the week before all this happened. Like, y'all, people just OD'd. People just OD'd. And it's like, I get people have kids and stuff like that. But I'm just like, I guess they was thinking like further down the line, maybe? I don't know. But then if something didn't happen to your house and stuff, then what you was doing with all the food? All the food was gone. Never mind, child. That ain't my business. You know, the storm really made me appreciate, you know, my current situation, because it definitely could have been worse. I feel like there are some people right now who are still going through like the repercussions and everything from everything. But I was fortunate. I'm glad that I was able to spend time with my mom and my sister at the same time. Really, it was just a little vacation from work. Yeah. Wouldn't mind another storm. Just kidding. Or am I? Just quit your job. I just came from Target. I just went to see my mom, and she was at Target, and I needed to go to Target. Girl, Target was cleaned out. I said, you know, fucking what? Y'all was out of fucking line. But okay, so I went to Target, and then I went to Whole Foods. I went to Whole Foods, and then I went to Five and Below. Me and my brother be doing puzzles and shit. He told me to get him a puzzle for next time I go up over there. So I got a puzzle. I need to keep that in the car. He said keep it in the car. Look at him. Hey, he's smart. Because, yeah, if I take it... Oh, my God. What guy keeps doing that? Yeah, because if I take it out the car, it's probably going to be left in the house when I get back over there. So, I'll put it in the back seat. Okay, so let's go in the house and let's see what we got to eat. Okay. OMG, what a pigsty. All right. I am Karanisha. I have decided to start vlogging because I talk to myself an awful lot. And now I stay by myself, so yeah. There's no one here. Why are they here? I don't know. I don't know. It's so dirty in here. What I'm going to do now is show you guys my groceries. People seem to like that. Lots of chips. Again, the grocery stores is cleaned out, okay? This is not the bag I would traditionally get, but I do like the jalapeno. I do like the regular hot. I do like the hot Funyuns and so yeah, I'm okay with this bag. We got this one. We got the salad mixes. We love a good salad mix. Come on, salad. We also got some tomatoes or tomatoes, you know, however you like to say it. Got some chicken breast. I would like to be vegan eventually. My accent kind of sucks, don't worry about it. We got California pizzas. These are one of my favorite little pizzas to eat. These little barbecue California pizzas are my favorite. Big as my head. I love my food when it's bigger than my head. I have been thinking about grapes for the longest of time. And you know what? One of my coworkers are always talking about the cotton candy grapes. So, let me taste them. Grapes. I ain't gonna wash them off either, y'all. Oh, they're good. Oh, they're good. But like, don't that mean they fake or something though? But now, you know what? You gotta eat them grapes and ain't washing. My favorite vegetable, spinach. I love spinach. And we got some kiwis. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. And then noodles. But you know what? Where's my other one? So I bought this one because this was the last one, of course. Greedy motherfuckers. Are they the same though? Because this one's just, I don't think they're the same. When I was in the grocery store, I was so confused. I was like, is they the same? They're clearly two different merchants or two different brands. And this girl here I was so confused. And it's crazy because now I'm just like, no, they're not the same, girl. See, that's that pressure of being in the store. That's why I hate going into the grocery store. Your girl was needing seasonings, okay? These were the only ones I've seen, okay? I have like salt, black pepper, and I have some other stuff. I love lemon pepper seasoning. And this one, I normally just use these on french fries, but season. 'Tis the season to season. Okay. Oh, my guilty pleasure. Listen, if you're gonna judge me, exit. Exit now. If you're gonna judge, exit now. Exit. Ooh, yum. Delicioso. Y'all, these are death. These are supposed to be a healthy alternative. I use these for when I work out. I always try to drink one before I do leg day or whatever. Yeah, I got glutes. So, yeah. Stop playing with me. I do believe that I am addicted to caffeine. The thought of detoxing though upsets me and scares me. I feel like I'm gonna be very upset. I'm going to be irritable. I'm not going to want to talk to anybody. I'm gonna want to cuss everybody out. And we have our Whole Foods bag. Not that interesting. We got some bananas. And I think cute little cookies. My mom's boyfriend introduced these to me. They're really good. I got this because you know what? I've had these before. I don't eat oatmeal. Okay? I don't like it. But I feel like I might like these. Got some avocado spray. Because you know what? Avocado oil, all cooking oils. Not all cooking oils. But avocado cooking oil, it's expensive. The thing is like $14, $15 for a bottle. This was like $6. It's okay, I'll take it. Don't worry about it. Then we got some nanners. Okay, baby? However you want to say it. Nanas, potatoes. Don't say that. Bananas. Okay. That's my slight grocery haul. Whole Foods is my favorite store to shop at. I think it might just be familiarity. I do also love H-E-B. Yeah. So I'm gonna get these put away, and then I don't know what next. Hi, hello, and good morning. It is a new day. We are going to work today. Oh my God, I can't wait. And hopefully Starbucks is open. For those of you wondering, I do work at a retailer here in Houston. I will not disclose that information of which store because no, you cannot use my discount. Right now, I am in love with the song Track Star by Mooski. I hope that's how you say his name. But who isn't? That song is so nice. I think lyrically, it's just good. I feel like you don't hear a lot of men these days singing about love or rapping about love. It's normally about Gucci, or diamonds. That culture, lifestyle. I do like Young Blue. I do like Young Blue. He sings about love too. I just love it. If y'all know of any other rappers or artists that sings or rap about love, please let me know down below because I would love to be introduced to them. Because again, men don't sing about love these days or rap about it. Jesus, love me. Hello. I want to be loved. Love is a beautiful thing. I would love to experience that tragic love, even though it just seems to be heartaching. But you know that if you're familiar with the movie Moulin Rouge with Nicole Kidman, my heart, it's on this side, right? My heart, the Notebook kind of love, that Romeo and Juliet kind of love. I would love to experience it, but then I'm just like, what's the point if I can't keep it forever, right? I'm so glad all these traffic lights are fixed because, baby, people's out here driving dangerous. Let me tell you how I approach the light, right? When the lights are broke, flashing or whatever, or just off, when I pull up to the light, I'm always so hyped about it. I'm so lit because I need to make sure I go when I'm supposed to go, because I'm always talking about other people going when they're not supposed to go, so I want to make sure I'm right. So when I approach the light, I'm like, okay, you here. I'm like, yeah. Okay, so everybody has to go before me. I'm like literally on 10,000, like, yeah. 1, 2, okay, he just came. He came, he just came. And then I'm like, and then I just hate when the car behind the person in front of them goes too. I'm like, well, basically when 2 cars go at once, but it's the second car. Cause I'm like, how you gonna go with him and you supposed to stop? What's wrong with y'all? Y'all just don't even get her. I wanted to put some makeup on today, but whatever. My alarm was set for 4:50 for 4:40, and I ain't get out the bed till 6:10. I could not get up, but I think it's because too I don't have to be up. Like I only have to be up that early, like 4ish, like 4:50, 4:30, if I'm doing my makeup, trying to be really cute, because it takes like an extra hour. That's the only time. Other than that, I don't need to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and that's why I think I always kind of sleep through that alarm, because I'm like, it's not necessary. Okay, you're just gonna have to go to work in that good skin that the Lord created for you. All right. Okay. I actually do love my face without makeup. I think I'm very pretty naturally. It's just hyperpigmentation and kind of acne just be fucking me up. But other than that, I actually really do like my face. I always refer to my eyes as alien eyes, and I don't know why. I never said I didn't like aliens though, so it's not saying anything bad. It's just I think I have alien eyes. I love my little nose. I love my cheeks and my lips. They're fucking open! Looks like they might have a line. Because I know I wasn't the only one waiting on them. What's up, Buck? What up, Bucky? Bucko, what up? Hey, how y'all doing? Yes, hi. Yes. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be that excited for coffee, but anyways, I get the same drink every time. And I be seeing when people do like special drinks and stuff, and they be looking good. I be saying they taste good and stuff, but I just get the white mocha. You'll hear what I get, actually.
morning. Welcome to Starbucks. My name is David. May I have your name, please?
Karen.
Hi, Karen. Welcome to your side, please, today.
I would like to get the Impossible breakfast sandwich
And what else, sorry?
and a grande white mocha with almond milk and no whip. Thank you. That's what I be getting, y'all. The Impossible breakfast sandwich be a little greasy sometimes, so I'll be asking for napkins. Got my sandwich. Got my coffee. I haven't had this in like 4 or 5 days. You know about the whole nail polish thing when you go into the nail shop and you're like, oh my God, what color, what color, what color, what color? That's me every time I get my coffee and I'm like, iced or no ice, iced or no ice, iced or no ice. I normally get it iced, but since they haven't been giving out straws anymore, it's hard for me to stir it. And so I have to like tilt the whole cup back and I'm like shaking my head, looking crazy. So now more often I get it hot now. I'll still get it iced sometimes. It's just, I'm like, can I get a stick? Something, because I can't stir it, you know? Okay, guys, so here I decided to do my face and get cute because I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I was sure that I was going to do something. So enjoy this portion of me doing my makeup. this is what I ended up looking like that night. I ended up going out with my best friend and a friend, and we had a good time. Follow my Snapchat at Karen Shalyn. You know, ain't nothing wrong with a little jazz. You know, ain't nothing wrong with a little jazz up now.